Important tip. When you have pieces of clay that you are not using, wrap them up in a damp cloth and put it in your Ziploc bag. This way, the clay won't dry out. Making a pinch pot. Grab a piece of clay and roll it into a ball. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cup your hand and push your thumb into the middle, making sure your thumb doesn't go all the way through. Now pinch all around the edges. Make sure the clay is no thicker than 1 centimeter, otherwise it will be difficult to make the whistle part later. So here I am just feeling with my thumb and index finger where the clay is thicker. I then pinch those areas and try and get a nice and even shape all the way around. You can smooth out the edges to make a nice round shape. Grab some more clay from your damp towel to make the other half of the sphere. I'm roughly using the same amount so I can make a nice sphere shape. You can use less or more clay depending on if you want to make the other half smaller or larger. Now put your two pieces together to check to see that the opening is the same size. Making a hollow sphere. With a toothpick or a paddle pop stick, scratch into the surface where you will be connecting the two pieces together. This technique is called scoring. You want to scratch in different directions so you have a nice rough surface. The reason why we do this technique is so that the two pieces connect together without falling apart. If the surfaces were both smooth, they would not attach properly. Next, add some water or slip, which is a mixture of water and clay, and then dab it onto the scored surface. Attach the two pieces together by pressing lightly. Use your finger or paddle pop stick to smooth out the edges so they are no longer visible. You will see bumps and lumps in some areas, which you can also smooth out using your thumb. If your clay is cracked in some areas, you can wet your fingers and smooth those out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.